I knew life was not at all the way that we thought it is, and that we did have an incredible ability to create our life. The simplest way for me to explain law of attraction is to say that whatever we think and believe is photocopied exactly and appears exactly as our life. Where we've got everything wrong is we are reacting to life, and what we need to do is create life. And so in creating life, we say the way we want it before it's appearing.
What did you learn? And what are the tenets of The Secret?
I learned that we are the creators of our own life, and that what we think will shape our life, what we think and what we believe. I can't afford that. Well, if you say that, that's the way your life's going to be. The shortcut to the secret is be happy now. And if you're happy now, you're going to attract everything that makes you happy. People deserve whatever they want. If you don't want money, that's totally fine. But if you're somebody who wants financial freedom, you can have it. I'm saying to you, you can have it. The mind is never here in the present. The mind is in the past and the future. And it's ping-ponging back between the two all the time. And so if you're aware, you are in the present. And that's where everything is. All the bliss, all the happiness, all the intelligence, all the beauty, it's all right here, right in the present.